Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Senator Shehu Sani has said that has drawn attention to the fact that the grains used for production of alcohol mostly come from the north. And that attracted a lot of attention, especially in the light of the recent tax reform bill sent to the National Assembly by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now, Shehu Sani, in a tweet shared on his verified X account, highlighted the regional contributions to the alcohol industry, raising questions about the role of the North and South in the supply chain. He asks, the grains used for the production of alcohol mostly come from the North. The industries that ferment the grains to alcohol are mostly in the South. Who is the mother and who is the father of alcohol in this situation? That's a question that he posed. Now, some people look at it basically as somebody talking about the value chain in the alcohol industry. But he was playing mind game with Nigerians. This is because what he was trying to do was to talk about the tax reform, especially the VAT in the tax reform being pushed by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And you know that under the tax reform, VAT should be paid based on derivation. And if you are paying VAT based on derivation, some of these northern states that have Sharia law that ban the use of alcohol are going to lose a lot of money. Okay? But here Shehu Sani is presenting it in such a way to say that, look, North contributes to generating of the alcohol, so they cannot be excluded from it. That's my understanding of what he was trying to say. But one thing he should also note is that the North produce the grain. Of course, the farmers that produce the grain, they are paid for it. But when the grain is turned into alcohol, and this alcohol is being destroyed, if every state in Nigeria we are destroying it, where will you get the VAT that is being shared, especially from that sector? You mean that that sector would have been dead and there will be nothing coming out of it. That was why many people in the South and even in the North, in Middle Belt, they like the part of the tax reform, especially in relation to this issue of sharing of the VAT money. The idea that it should be based on derivation, so that if what you do not consume, you don't have to benefit from it. Now, it's also ironic to note that the North itself benefits a lot from alcohol in terms of from VAT that's generated from alcohol. For instance, in 2020, Kano State Hishba Board destroyed 1,907,000 9 million, no, 1 million, 975,000 bottles of beer within Kano metropolis. Now the drinks was estimated to worth 200 million naira. And the dollar rate at the time this was reported was $523,000. These were destroyed by a court order, by a Kano State court order, to destroy 20 trucks of alcohol. Now, in 2021, this Kano that destroyed 20 trucks of alcohol received, it was revealed that they received 525.7 billion between 2015 and 2021, with a lot of that money, allocation money for Kano, coming from alcohol. So what Shehu Sani is doing is to put it into a debate for people to now look at it, that people should not look at only those who consume alcohol, those who help in the process, in production of it, that they not supply the grains. South had the companies that are fermenting it into alcohol. Perhaps he's advocating for equal sharing of VAT. That's why he's now asking, who is the father and who is the mother of alcohol production in Nigeria? It's a big question he was posing, but I think that's a question that is trying to muddle the water in the derivation principle that is contained in President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's VAT reform under the new tax reform that he has sent to the National Assembly. I don't know what you think about this, the derivation formula or derivation-based VAT sharing of VAT money, and what you think about what Shehu Sani is saying, that even though not destroy alcohol, it doesn't mean that they are not participating in its production. So they also need to get something out of the VAT. Whatever is your position on this, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.